arguably a good customer of mine that's been with me for the full 23 years, came in and he had his Hyundai Santa Fe. And he says, Mike, it's time for tires. You told me it was time for tires. And he's a snowbird. So he goes to Florida every year and for the winter and comes back. And he goes, before I go to Florida, I want a good, aggressive, all-season tire. I said, listen, you want the Michelin CrossClimate. Come on over here. So I went on the website for Black Circles and I pull up. And he says, $320 a tire. Are you kidding me? And I said, I'm not kidding you at all. He says, that's ridiculous. Why would I pay that? I said, because it's the best quality tire that you can get. And I know you hold on to your vehicles, you drive to Florida. I'm telling you, you will not get a better traction tire, a better riding tire than this Michelin CrossClimate. Reluctantly, he was mad. He says, okay, fine.
But he still bought it.
He left mad. 4 months later, he comes back.
From Florida.
From Florida.
Yeah.
And he comes in and he's standing there and there was a couple other customers and he was waiting patiently. He comes walking up and he looks, he says, Michael, I owe you an apology. I said, really? He says, I have replaced the picture of my wife in my wallet with the picture of CrossClimate tires. he says, I can't believe my car is totally different. It handles different. It drives better. The traction was phenomenal. My gas mileage is improved. How? Why? And I said, the manufacturers are no different than any other organization. They will try to get the cheapest bidder to put on the tires. So the cheap tires that you had from the manufacturer when you bought the car, that was the best deal that the manufacturer could get for the vehicle. And this is now an upgrade and up level. So needless to say, that was like 3 years ago. He's still very happy.